In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh your Xero bank feed. Keeping your bank feed up to date is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records, and I'll guide you through the process, ensuring it's seamless and straightforward. Whether you're a small business owner or managing the finances of a larger enterprise, this tutorial has got you covered. Once you've logged in, let's focus on the bank account you'd like to refresh. On your dashboard, you'll find the section dedicated to your business bank accounts. Here, you should see a list of all your linked bank accounts. Each of these bank accounts has a context menu that can be accessed by clicking on the three dots. You might often hear it referred to as the More Options button. This button is located on the right-hand side of the bank account you want to refresh. It serves as your gateway to several account-specific actions. So, go ahead and click it to reveal the options available for your bank account. Among the drop-down options, you'll want to look for the one that says Refresh Feed. Clicking this option prompts Xero to manually update the bank feed, bringing in the latest transactions from your bank into Xero. This step is particularly useful when you need the most current information for reconciliation or making informed financial decisions. However, it's important to be aware that not all banks support this manual refresh option. Some accounts are designed to update automatically. Furthermore, the availability of the Refresh Feed feature can vary significantly from bank to bank. The distinction here often comes down to the agreement between Xero and your financial institution regarding how data is exchanged. If you don't see the Refresh Feed option, it could be due to your bank's automatic update system. In this case, your bank transactions should naturally flow into Xero based on a regular schedule, typically once a day. For instance, certain banks have arrangements that automatically update bank feeds during the early hours of the morning. So, if you've logged in and noticed that some transactions aren't showing up yet, they might simply appear after the next automatic update cycle. It's also worth noting that the frequency and timing of these automatic updates can differ among financial institutions. This timing can influence when your data appears in Xero. If consistency or update frequency becomes a concern, it might be worth reaching out to your bank to understand their specific integration features with Xero. As you work on keeping your bank feed up to date, here's a quick tip. Regularly refreshing your feed when possible, or checking in after automatic updates have occurred, can help ensure that your financial data in Xero remains current. This habit can be invaluable, especially during busy seasons or at financial year ends when accurate, timely data is crucial for reporting and decision-making. In summary, refreshing your Xero bank feed when available is a simple process. Start on your dashboard, locate your business bank account, click on the three dots to access more options, and select Refresh Feed if it's available. Remember, the availability of this feature depends on your bank's integration with Xero, and some accounts are updated automatically. Thanks for watching this tutorial. We hope it has clarified how to refresh your bank feed in Xero and highlighted some of the considerations surrounding automatic and manual updates. Keeping your bank feed current ensures that your financial records are accurate, allowing for better financial management and decision-making. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to manage your finances efficiently and effectively.